Hello, I'm Jeremy Wright, Technical Director at Umbrella Consulting. And in this SYSPRO quick tip, I'm going to show you a very common thing that happens to stationery when converting from a lower version of Crystal reports to 2020 or 2016. When I print a document, you'll notice that the stock code is not showing up, and sometimes the description does the same. And that is very common because the documents that shipped with SYSPRO years ago had formulas in it that are now deprecated in the newer versions of Crystal. So to rectify that, it's very easy. Open up the document itself, and on the side here you see formula fields. You'll find that stock code and description are when they originally shipped, they had formulas on them, and to make them stop disappearing, simply remove the formula and leave just the stock code to show up. And we save that, and we do the same for the description. So once those are saved, save the document. And then back in SYSPRO, you can reprint. And when we reprint, you'll see the stock code is back. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.